real talk, real talk. No, we're no better than yard. Real talk, real talk, real talk.
Alright, so we're there with a brother called Tamo J.
Aye.
Yes, and your song is called Real Talk.
Real talk, real talk, real talk. Aye, no, we're no better than yard.
I know me not forgot, this is your first time entering.
Where? Festival. Because when I was younger, I went the gospel one.
Oh wait, you didn't enter JCDC gospel and then how much years later you try out for the same move?
Okay. So come out of church and come turn up the street. See? Aye.
Alright, so tell me why you have the baddest song this year in the JCDC festival song competition.
Fresh. Image.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Lyrics. Understand? Relics. And it's a powerful song.
How people can vote for you? You must know
1-876-444-7709. Are we outside? See? Check it out now.
Yeah, but wait, hold on. There's an artist right now, there's somewhere around the vicinity that say him have the baddest song in the competition.
That boy, that?
Yeah, man, the Slim Ross.
Yeah.
I am forward. Forward.
Why?
No, so tell me, big artists, why you entered? Because you say what Butcher do last year and say no, I'm just trying because clearly them have to give me the winnings.
Say, to be honest, it was a great initiative by Butcher Bantan, but not really that's why I enter. And that's not about the money. I want Tamo J to win. You understand? Tamo J daughter.
Yeah, man.
If you win, I promote, but it's not. It's about big artists giving back to the culture itself. And here we're going. COVID at my wife happened.
Yeah.
So all we have is time. Because if this never happened, we wouldn't do an interview.
True.
Long more. Anytime I see my road, what's the back up?
Yo, make sure you say this a record, yo.
Me say, you know,
it's a record.
Yo, me say, everybody always have him content and not involve me. You have to involve me now, so what? But anyway, COVID, all we have is time. So when somebody said them can't do it, it's just them no one.
True.
You understand?
So only can tell me like exactly like how it got, just the information in terms of how you get the enter. Is it that the word just start to circulate?
Yeah, and
somebody
then me and important people because the actors are
Well, it was at this moment that Dutty knew that the audio was going to be messed up, but you see, because we raised in a school and we're here, the song was a press along Saints, that is exactly what we're going to do. So, once again, please forgive the audio, but let's press along.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you? Learn something from this.
No, my bad. I'm sorry.
Made the best one win. No, I want to do the finals. Next week. Yeah, next week. What a good turnaround time. Yes. But before acting, that's what I ask. Like, please, what one thing will I do for just really just what's the show? I'm not understand that, but since I past 36 months, I'm going to walk a 5. Let's try and go back to like 6 minutes. Oh, yeah, I'm in the 29. Listen to me. I've always wanted to shop in the small section. Dog, Jesus Christ, man. Yo, people, we outside. Where you are going? I'm going to tell somebody, say, when you have money, you're rich. You have health and wealth. Rich. Wealthy. Yeah. You understand? And that's the progressive life where you run money, you grow and you get old. Yeah. You need the revenue we have. You need to get me feet. Alright. Let's make you lose that 30 pounds. You lose 1 pound a day. Okay. You understand? So, really, I've done a research. Yeah. I've done some things scientifically for myself. Yeah. And you know? Yeah. Start. So, I start it. I start product. Never get the proof. Never get the proof first. Yeah, man. Start. When I was 256 pounds, 18th of November 2020. 256 pounds. By February, me, 100 man. I lose 100 man in 5 months. That's all I got searching. No doctor. That's all I got stress. If you got a wife or something like that. No, not even stress. Me get more than 6 weeks. And I wait to put that. What? I'm just going to cut
this right here.
Yeah, but I have to number 444-7709. Real talk, see? And the land wheeler?
Yes. 444. You don't know. 7707.
Check it out.
Alright, now. You're going to pick up your service.
Yeah, come.
You can't edit me out of the big Yeah, good thing. You know what I mean? Bring him in there work.
Going on, turn the thing, get it, put it more,
Trips. Get your trip.
Sorry. Captain Plant or some shit.